Hey guys, this is Alex again. We are in a tree because we just found bird eggs. Well, we found a nest with a bird and birds in it. Bird and bird eggs.
One of the eggs are hatching.
Yeah, we named it
Hazel,
Shirk.
Shirk.
Wilder named it Shirk, and I named
Teal.
one Dino.
Share.
And I named one Dino.
Only one of them are hatching.
Yeah, it's Dino. It's hatching.
Can you get a close up?
Oh Jesus!
Alex, let them see the eggs.
I know I'm trying. Here, hold my phone, Noah.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Do not drop it.
I won't. Are you okay, Alex?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I saw.
I'm gonna be bird watching.
Okay, let's see if.
Do you guys see some eggs?
Yep, they see it.
Take a picture of it.
I'm taking a YouTube video.
No, just take a picture.
Okay. Here's my phone. Wait, hold on. So, yeah, I found bird eggs.
No, we found birds.
Well,
Actually, I discovered that there's three.
we found bird eggs, and yeah. Well, bye, because I really want to get out of this tree, but I have one more phone to take a picture of.
Hey, Alex.
So, bye.